Drone Racing League SIM Tryouts Tournament now open. By DroneLife staff writer Ian M. Crosby. This week saw the start of the 2022 DRL SIM Tryouts, an annual esports tournament that provides the winner with a contract to fly in the Drone Racing League, DRL. The SIM champion will compete against the top drone pilots in the 2022-23 DRL Algorand World Championship season in a series of events taking place in real life as well as in esports and the metaverse. This fall, the championship will be aired on top sports networks worldwide. Continuing on through June 28, the competition on the DRL Sim, a drone racing simulator available on PlayStation, Xbox, Steam, and Epic Games, will pit thousands of participants against one another in a race for the fastest time. The 24 highest scores will then go on to compete in a virtual race on June 30th, with the winner being crowned an official DRL pilot. Despite having never flown a real drone before, the previous year's sim champion was awarded a spot in the DRL before going on to win racing heats during last season's in real-life events. The final bracket competition is scheduled to take place on June 30th at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Read more commercial drone news on DroneLife.com.